Why do individuals just start caring about their skin once they need surgery? Over the last 15 years of my career, I've done thousands of surgeries. My scalpel has touched a countless number of faces. And I oftentimes wonder, why do individuals just start caring about their skin once they need surgery? People often ask me as a dermatologist, why have I gone beyond medicine into entrepreneurship to create my own skincare line? I see patients on a day-to-day basis. They come to see me for my opinion on what's the latest and greatest thing out there for treating a variety of skin conditions, whether it's reducing the signs of aging or brightening their skin, maintaining their skin in a healthy way, or preventing problems later on in life. Are expensive products necessarily better? Am I using the right thing? Is science-backed skincare effective? These are all great questions. As a dermatologist and Mohs surgeon, I've seen numerous patients who have skin conditions that either originated from or were made worse by poor skincare choices. Let me give you an example. In my aging population, I see patients all the time who do not protect their skin from the damaging effects of ultraviolet light at a young age, maybe because they didn't have the knowledge or they didn't have the resources. And those years of UV damage over time resulted in severe sun damage, premature signs of aging, and ultimately skin cancer in many of them. I also see individuals who are trying to make proactive decisions and use things to prevent problems later on in life with their skin. But the question is, how are they making those decisions and choosing the right product? Is it based upon reviews? Is it the latest trend on TikTok? Do you like the marketing or the color of the product, or because it's popular? Or are you really picking up the bottle or the tube and reading the ingredients on the label and making a decision based on that? And that's what we aim to do here at DermatiQ, is to educate you on what's out there, what's in your product, if it's scientifically backed and proven, and if it's going to really work for you. So the real question is expensive necessarily better? There's so many companies out there that are trying to sell you on fear and not facts. There's so many products out there that claim to have the latest and greatest technology that's only proven in a test tube in the lab, not truly on human skin, and have minimal data to back up their efficacy. On the other hand, we have products that are a fraction of the cost that use time-tested ingredients that are scientifically proven and backed, and while they don't sound as exotic, they're probably better for your skin and your pocketbook. There's a lot of skincare myths out there. Let me just give you a few examples of ones that I see. One, for example, what we just talked about, is that expensive products are generally better. And this is not true. It ultimately boils down to the ingredients in the product, not the clever marketing that the company's offering you. Another skincare myth is that a product can shrink your pore size. This is not true. We can decrease the appearance of our pores, but not the actual size itself. So we should be looking for ingredients that help strengthen collagen to support the pore, or ingredients that help clean our pores out to make them look less dark. Another myth, natural ingredients are generally better. Well, guess what? Poison ivy is a natural ingredient. You wouldn't put that on your skin. There's so many products out there with high concentrations of things like essential oils that can irritate our skin or cause allergies. So natural is not necessarily always better. Another common myth is that we should only start addressing our skin concerns once they start to appear, such as wrinkles with anti-aging. Well, the key is we should start addressing our skin early in life to prevent wrinkles and start using these skincare products before they start to occur. Last, another myth that I see is if we stay hydrated, that this will ultimately impact the hydration of our skin, and this couldn't be further from the truth. If we really need to hydrate our skin, we need to put water directly where it's needed. I like the analogy of jumping in a pool to quench our thirst. Same idea. If you understand these myths, then it can help you make a wise skincare decision when selecting your next product. And so this brings me to the core values of the company that I created. Number one, education. I created this company not to just sell you a skincare product, but to also bring my years of experience and educate you on how to make wise choices when it comes to picking out a product for you, whether it's ours or not. Number two, bring you the science. Along with education, I want to teach you about ingredients, what they can do, what they can't do, what are potential side effects, and when it's a good time to go beyond over-the-counter products and maybe time to seek dermatologic care. You may need a prescription instead, or you may want to learn about some of the latest and greatest laser technologies or surgical procedures out there. Number three, simplicity. You want a product that is simple to fit into your busy everyday lifestyle. You don't want 5 or 6 tubes, jars to get to the same result that one single product can do. So we take building blocks, ingredients that we know are time-tested and true, and combine them very expertly into one product that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Along with our next core value is lifestyle and wellness. We want to promote an overall sense of well-being, whether it's infusing essential oils into our products or giving you that perfectly fit biocellulose mask to feel like you're at the spa. We want you to feel great. When your skin looks great, you look great. And last, one of our core values at DermatiQ is fashion. Although we're a science-backed company, science can sometimes be boring, not that exciting. We've combined fashion with science to create a product that's sexy and fits into any lifestyle. So the real question is what skincare regimen you're using right for you? Are you making choices based on science or on the latest and greatest marketing campaign? If you're asking these questions, then you should explore DermatiQ. Follow DermatiQ to explore innovative skincare aesthetics.